Okay, we'll start with whoever is there. Just wanted to give you feedback on what you guys have done last week. Last week was this resume writing, quiz one, quiz two, but many of you haven't done it. It's okay because you might have had CIA and you probably didn't have time to do it. That's okay, but please do it because I'll just show you the report. Only 31 from this group have finished quiz one, and in quiz two, only 26 have finished. I don't know, some people 31 have finished quiz one, 26 only from quiz two. Another five people who attended quiz one haven't attended quiz two. I don't know why that is happening. Okay. Now, one thing, see, I don't know how many of you joined recently, but whatever is pending in Moodle, please finish it off. Do not keep it for the end. Okay. So I can see this entire list. I don't know who these people are. Abdullah, Dinesh, Kishore Babu, Sabarish, Sugumar. I don't know. These people have not attended even one quiz. If you are in this group, please, you are obviously in this group because it's in Moodle. So if any of your friends are there, then please inform them to finish this. Okay. So this is the overall report um, for all whatever we have. One second. Let me see for resume writing. Very few of you have done this also. Resume quiz. Okay, like I told you, only 30 people have attended, 31 and 26. Okay, now one more thing. This has been added today. Okay, that's a weekend assignment. We didn't give it last week because you had CIA. So this has been uploaded now. There are only about 5 questions based on resumes, similar to the quiz you attended in the resume section when you did the videos. Okay, so please do this on an immediate basis. It is left open, but I hope you finish before Friday at least, whenever you find time. If you can do it right now, it would be great. Okay. Otherwise, one more thing I wanted to ask was, how was Capgemini? How many of you attended Capgemini? Anyone attended Capgemini, ma? Hello? All sleeping, huh? Ah, did you guys attend Capgemini, ma? How was the exam? Did you get through? I can't hear you. Hello? Easy only. Okay. What about others? Idris, Abbas, Ajay, Deena. Are you guys listening? Ilango, Karthik P. What happened? Capgemini. Did you attend?
No, sir.
Okay. Why? You're not qualified for that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone else? Rupesh, Rajesh, Sai Teja, Ravi Teja. What happened? Not attended.
Not the
Not attended. Why you guys are from non-circuit branches, huh? Sobia, what happened? Sobia, Syed. Sobia attended, eh? Savita?
Yes, sir. Attended, sir.
What happened?
I cleared, sir.
Very good. This is what I wanted to hear. Why are you quiet? I'll be happy if somebody cleared. So when is the next round?
Yes, sir. They didn't tell, sir.
Okay.
Next is, I think so, technical interview, I think so.
Okay, okay. Good, good, good. All the best.
Thank
Anyway,
you, sir.
okay,
Thank you, sir.
right. Okay. See, what we have lined up for next week's Moodle classes, similarly, we have a few more videos and quizzes on the formats and templates and some more sample resumes. So most of you would have already done the resumes. These are a few more things that you can use to fine tune your resume in case you want to. Okay. So next week also we're going to do similar resumes only. This will be enabled next week. Okay. On next Monday we'll be enabling this because next week will be a model class. Okay. So any other questions?